All right, there's been some heavy fighting in the area, making it tough to bring troops and equipment to our lines. Any reinforcements are going to be periodic. But we're Rangers. We can handle any situation. If we're careful on what we bring in, we should be able to deal with these Germans, no questions asked. Also got my hands on an after-action report. Says the Krauts are dispatching their veteran officers, their best of the best, to turn the tables on us. We track them down and deal with them, that'll upset their command and control. Should ease pressure on our boys trying to link up with us. Get them to our lines a bit quicker. The clock is ticking. Let's go!
Rangers on the field and looking for trouble.
Steady. We got orders, boys. Follow me.
Area secured.
Check your ammo. Change of plan.
Check the ground for cover. Watch for Krauts. Once we're on that spot, fan out, watch for enemy.
Got sightings of an enemy officer around your area of operation.
Let's secure that ground. Fresh mags in. Got capture orders.
Once it's seized, be prepared for contact. Consolidate on the target. Let's go.
That's it. Points out. Put down here. Stand by. Orders.
Position taken. Good
Once we're
work,
on that
boys.
spot, fan out, watch for enemy. Seize the perimeter, stay low. Seize the perimeter, stay low.
Orders. Listen up. Here's the deal.
Reinforce that fighting position with some firepower. Shake a leg. Let's go.
Point men out. Let's move.
Once it's seized,
Enemy contact! Infantry in force! Enemy infantry taken out! Over there! Run! Stand by. Orders.
be ready for warning orders.
Steady up, fellas. Capture and secure that area. Change of plan. That's it.
Once it's
Point's
seized,
ours.
be prepared for contact.
Fighting position machine gun is in place.
Orders. Enemy contact! Go! Where's he at? Move it! Push him back! Let's go! Good shot! Lock for target down! Hey, listen up. Listen up. Area secured, man. Let's check your ammo.
Consolidate on the target. Let's go. Be ready for warning orders.
Position taken. Good work, boys.
Move! Enemy infantry! Motion heard! Engage that infantry! Infantry down! Increase rate of enemy through your front! Under fire! We're on the move.
Grab your gear.
Watch your approach!
They're at 200 points.
Come on, fellas, let's go.
Okay, some manpower's made it through. Now put it to good use. Rangers, taking that officer out must have done something. Just got word that we'll be getting reinforcements sooner than anticipated.
Steady up, fellas. We got orders, boys. Follow me. Change of plan.
Square the troops away. We're moving.
Orders.
Ground's ours. What's your spacing? Check your ammo. Follow me.
Seize the perimeter.
Target secure.
Stay low.
I got orders, boys. Get the lead out. We've got orders.
We're losing a capture point.
Place the position here. Rapid right. Where's that coming from? Ready? That's it. Hit with frag.
Got sightings of an enemy officer around your area of operation.
is overrunning one of our capture points.
He's all pounding the
We're all done over here. Be prepared
Capture
for contact.
complete! Suppressive fire! Go! Contact! Get down!
All right.
We're moving!
Reinforce that fighting position with some firepower.
The enemy is overrunning one of our capture points.
Use cover and concealment!
One of our fighting positions is sustaining fire.
Once it's seized, be prepared for contact.
Area secure. Check your ammo. Taking fire! Forward!
Krauts are taking one of our points.
Unit in contact! Get him moving!
Our fighting position now has some ordnance behind it.
Change of plans.
Consolidate on the target. Let's go.
I was talking to my buddy up at the CP. He says he saw orders that have us pitted against the whole...
I want a defensive position dug in right here. Stand by. Point man out.
Let's move.
All right, man. Let's move
A
out.
capture point is being overrun.
We're on the move. Grab your gear. Hey, listen up. Listen up. Square the troops away. We're moving. Contact! Infantry across our line!
Keep up the pressure. They're down to 100 points.
Position taken.
Set up a firing point in that emplacement.
Fall back. Stand by. Orders. Increase rate of fire. Enemy infantry taken out. Watch your spacing.
Follow me. Be ready for warning orders.
A capture point is being overrun.
You show what uncles were on that spot. Fan out. Watch.
They have only 75 points remaining.
Line dispersal! Cluster bombs dropping!
That's all right, man. Lights out. Hey, listen. Point man out. Let's move.
Fighting position machine gun is in place.
Orders.
Be ready for warning orders. Seize the perimeter and stay low.
Come on, fellas. Let's go. Change of plan.
Consolidate on the target.
They just fell to 50 points. We're losing a capture point.
Ground's ours. Check your ammo. Watch your spacing. Follow me. Hey, listen up. Listen up. We're on the move. Grab your gear.
Don't be yelling out. I see.
A capture point is under attack.
Stand by. Orders.
Krauts down to 25 points. Give it to them.
Change of plan. Hey, listen up. Listen up. Position taken. All right,
Got
man.
some extra manpower. Use it as you see fit.
Drive the attack. They only have 10 points remaining.
Get over there! Run!
We've got the German forces scrambling. Their lines are dazed and confused. Well done, Fox.
We've lost a fighting position.
I got word the German lines are in disarray. Taking out that officer must have helped.
Stand by. Orders.
That's it. The battle is ours.